Hello, my name is Osman Anwar. I have been Professor of Engineering and Business Mathematics in Dallas, Texas, USA. Please subscribe to my 4 education channels, share and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share and like. Links are in the description. My 4 education channels are specifically for university and college students and high school students. Channel 1 is for business students. It has business calculus, business math, and mathematics of finance. Channel 2 is for engineering STEM students. It has Calculus 1, Calculus 2, and high school AP Calculus. Eventually, I will add Calculus 3, differential equation, linear algebra, and so on. My channel 3 it has trigonometry and high school geometry. Channel 4 has college algebra, intermediate algebra, which is a development math, and high school algebra 1 and algebra 2. In all my channels, I have 3 plans. Plan number 1 is I have exam reviews and test reviews that I have solved with my students in classroom, and my students have used those exam reviews and test reviews to excel in my class. I will convert those exam reviews and test reviews into video presentations and share them with you. Plan number 2 is I have been solving many mathematics problems, business applications, engineering applications in classroom with my students. I will convert those detailed solutions into video presentations and share them with you. Plan number 3 is I will show you how to use technology such as Excel and graphic calculators, how to use technology to solve mathematics problems, business applications, and engineering applications. Once again, please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like. Here are details of my plans. Plan number 1 is share with you video presentations of my exam reviews and test reviews. Plan number 2 is share with you video presentations of my detailed solution to examples and applications. Through my plans, you will learn how to succeed and get A in business calculus, how to succeed and get A in business math, how to succeed and get A in engineering calculus, how to succeed and get A in high school AP calculus, how to succeed and get A in trigonometry, how to succeed and get A in high school geometry, how to succeed and get A in college algebra, how to succeed and get A in intermediate algebra, which is development math, how to succeed and get A in high school algebra 1 and algebra 2. I will show you how to use technology to solve mathematics applications / problems. Technologies such as Excel, graphic calculator, how to use technology to solve business math applications, engineering math applications, mathematics of finance applications, calculus derivatives and integrals, trigonometry, college algebra, intermediate algebra, development math, high school algebra 1 and algebra 2. Once again, please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like, and thank you very much.